today we're going to go to the Catacombs in Paris. We wanted to try to get a late night tour just because it is a little creepy, and so we wanted to see how creepy we could make it by going at nighttime. The latest we could get it was 6:15, so we are heading there now. We're going to be taking the M4. Because Logan was starving, and it was really cool because they had macarons or however you say it here in Paris, which I haven't seen in any other McDonald's, so it was pretty cool and they were delicious. Now we're gonna make our way back over to the Catacombs. It was literally across the street from the train station, so if you take the M4, you come out of the train station and it's right across the street, so let's go. Limestone was used to build things like the Louvre and the Notre Dame of Paris. So we're kind of on the building blocks of Paris right now. It's also the date of when these were put in. We're in the part of the quarry where all of the bones are specifically laid. They started building this, I believe, in the early 18th century, and then the bones weren't actually placed until the late 19th century. It's really, really cool to see all of these bones placed. There was a part that was rebuilt, I believe, in 2015 because the organic material was starting to compose down, so they had to rebuild it because the wall was crumbling. It's dripping back there, you can hear it.
definitely worth it. I highly suggest doing that when you come to Paris. There's so much rich history down there, especially about how Paris was built and also all the events that happened down there and all of like the bones and about 6 million people that were buried down there. So I highly, highly, highly recommend this. One thing we do recommend that they don't tell you is bring a pair of headphones, not like the Apple headphones, but like an aux headphones, so you can listen to the audio guide tour as you go through. Otherwise, you're going to be listening it out loud on a speaker and it's a little tough to hear it. Also, make sure to book your tickets online ahead of time. You cannot, there are some times where you can book the day of, but however, we did see that it was completely booked up today. People showed up and got turned away. So book online to make sure you definitely get in.